Somebody else is capsizing. Oh no, they're not. Dad, what's in the bag?
Stuff.
Electrical stuff?
No, I should be okay.
Okay. Me too. Do you want to check? Did you get your glasses back? Yeah. You okay, John? I'm sitting down. Cold. Freezing cold. See? I did tell you.
Yeah, more or less.
Dad, I did tell you.
You going back with him there?
No. No? Yes, I am, but not right now. I'm content to sit in the lifeboat.
You what?
I'm content to sit in the speedboat.
Hold on, Caroline. It's our shipwreck.
We're going to get you back on that boat then, Caroline.
Yeah, but can I sit in the lifeboat for a minute?
Sorry?
Can I stay in here for a minute because I can get some good shots of the boat?
Hello.
Say hello, John.
Hello. Guys, if you're going too fast, let go of the rope.
Does this boat ever collapse?
Sorry?
Does this boat ever collapse?
Where?
No, does this boat ever collapse?
I can't hear you, sorry.
Does this boat ever tip over like ours just
No,
did?
shouldn't do. Unless you've got about 8 people in it.
Okay. Alright.
Plus the fact that I don't like getting wet and cold, so I don't tend to slip over.
Okay.
What's your dad's name?
Cormac.
Where's he from, Ireland?
Belfast.
Go have another go with Fred. Where the boys are going first, love? Blue set, blue, white boat. Yeah, see that one.
Wait, who are we talking about?
We don't know.
Hey! What was that? No, seriously, what is it?
It's a big black bit of inflatable thing with a pointy end around it.
No, why is it there? Why have you got him?
Just a bit of excitement, see if you can go and pick it up.